And honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi guys. Hari ini hari Jumat. Sudah pagi-pagi sudah hujan ya guys ya. Biasa rutinitas jalan ke pasar Cilok. Vlognya ya gini-gini aja ya guys ya, hari-hari ya memang adanya kayak gini. Salam pasar. Hari Jumat hujan, gerimis ya guys. Mudah-mudahan besok hari Sabtu terang. Sabtu libur tanggal merah guys. Jadi libur 2 minggu di Hongkong ya, Sabtu sama Minggu. Besok nggak tahu hari apa ya besok. Pokoknya rame banget, polisi banyak yang keluar sepertinya. Buat yang mbak-mbak yang jualan, yang usaha di luar, apa yang kosongan, hati-hati aja. Besok itu polisi mulai disebar tanggal 1 Oktober. Pokoknya pesannya hati-hati aja. Ya namanya nasib nggak tahu ya guys ya. Yang penting kan jaga keselamatan, jangan sampai kejadian yang enggak. Oke, ke supermarket food dulu. Beli di lot 4. Cari ke anu kopi. Nah, sekarang mau cari kopi. Kopinya ya ini. Sepatu aktif 51.
So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
Hari Jumat ya guys ya, agak sibuk saya belanjanya, tapi tinggal sedikit sih belanjanya, di rumah sudah banyak. Cari cabai. Oke guys, terima kasih sudah mengikuti perjalanan saya. Sekarang saatnya saya mau naik ke rumah. Nah, semoga kalian semua diberi kesehatan, kelancaran rezeki, dan sukses selalu. Wassalam, bye bye.